Hey Russell fam, in today's video we're going to do another Riddle Me This. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky and welcome to our Russell's Loving Life YouTube channel. Here on this channel we talk about homeschooling, homemaking, and everything in between. We also have a blog which is russellslovinglife.com. There I give you tips and tricks and things that I have learned through my years of homeschooling. I am a homeschooling mom of 2 and I have been homeschooling since 2012. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that little bell notification down at the bottom. That just lets you know every time we upload a new video. And if you're a returning Russell fam, we are so glad you are back. Today's video is a collaboration with Nina over at Everyday Blessings, and this is another Riddle Me This. I cannot remember what part we are on or which edition we are on, but we have done several of these. We have so much fun doing these riddles, and I'm going to turn this camera around and I'm going to ask the kids some riddles and let's see what their answers are.
Wake up! You hit me in my eye.
All right, we've got some awesome riddles that Miss Nina sent. Y'all ready for them?
Yes!
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Miss Nina.
All right, she gave us 10 of them this time because y'all asked for them last time.
Yes!
Yes. All right, question number 1, or riddle number 1. It's, I have to be broken before you can use me. What am I?
I heard this 2 days ago. Now I can't remember it.
Bailey, what you got? You got to answer. You can't tell me you don't know.
Legos.
Legos. Becca, what you got?
Legos?
An egg.
Ah.
You have to break an egg before you can use it.
But I felt like it. Oh, Legos come broken, so it could be either one.
All right, number 2. I'm tall when I'm young and short when I'm old. What am I?
A human.
Bailey says human.
Alien?
Becca says alien. It's a candle. Remember, we used to make candles. It's tall, and then it burns down, and it's short.
So gradually, as you get older, like
Yeah, well,
older
yours,
ages, you shrink.
yeah, yours did make sense. But when you're younger, like Becca, you get taller, and then, yeah. So anyway, okay, number 3. What question can you never answer yes to?
Riddle. Picking my nose. What?
Becca. All right, so what question can you never answer yes to? Bailey, what is your answer?
A riddle.
A riddle. Becca, what is yours?
I can't remember the one you just said.
What question can you never answer yes to? Let her come up with an answer. Don't tell her.
Okay.
All right. Bailey said riddle. Becca says riddle. Are you asleep?
Hey, I've done that before. You said, Bailey, are you asleep?
Yeah, you would answer yes, but you weren't asleep. Okay. Number 4. What can you break even if you never pick it up or touch it? Becca, we'll start with you. What can you break even if you never pick it up or touch it?
Glass.
Glass, okay.
Oh, what is like a Lego? I don't know.
Your answer is Lego again?
Mm-hmm.
All right. It is a promise. You can break. What can you break even if you never pick it up or touch it? It's a promise. All right.
Not so obvious you won't guess them.
Number 5. What goes up but never comes back down? Bailey.
Alright, can I start with Becca this time?
All right, Becca.
A balloon. No, it has to come down at some point.
Becca's answer is a balloon. All right, Bailey. What goes up but never comes back down?
Well, physics state that it has to come down eventually. But clouds?
Your age. You get older, you never get younger. All right, Miss Nina got really good with these because she's
Really
stumping y'all. All right.
Well, I'm not that good at riddles anyway, but
Yeah, y'all.
Riddles.
Yeah, y'all are. But okay. Number 6. The more of this there is, the less you see. What is it? Bailey.
Let's start with Becca.
No, let's start with Bailey.
Okay, we'll start with Bailey. Let me read it again.
Yes, please.
The more of this there is, the less you see. What is it?
Blanket.
Blanket, okay? Bailey said
It
blanket.
doesn't make sense.
Becca, what you got?
I don't know.
You got to think. You can't tell me I don't know.
A brain? I don't know.
A brain? Darkness. The more of this there is, the less you can see. When it gets dark outside, you can't see. Okay. Number 7. David's parents have 3 sons. Snap, Crackle. What's the third name? Bailey.
This is not going to be the one about Rice Krispies. It's David.
All right, Bailey said David. Becca, what do you say?
Read it again, please.
David's parents have 3 sons. Snap, Crackle, and what is the third name?
Crackle?
Well, they already have Snap and Crackle. What's the third son's name?
What was the one that they said before Snap and Crackle?
David's parents have 3 sons. Snap, Crackle, what's the third name?
David.
David. Both of you got that one. That
Well,
one was David.
I've heard a few different variations of that riddle.
Yeah, they're trying to get you to say pop because of Snap, Crackle, Pop. Question number 8. What invention lets you look right through walls? Bailey. Becca. Becca, he's been going. Becca, what invention lets you look right through walls?
Window?
Becca says window.
A sledgehammer. Because you can...
All right, Becca says a window. Bailey says sledgehammer. Becca is correct. It is a window. Yes. It lets you see through walls.
I said a sledgehammer trying to break a wall.
Because you put a big spot. Okay. Number 9. What has hands but cannot clap? Becca. What has hands but cannot clap?
Go to Bailey.
Okay.
Bailey?
Let's say a fire because it crackles sometimes. I don't know.
Bailey says a fire. What has hands but cannot clap? Becca?
Coming to me now.
A fire.
That's what Bailey just said. You say something else. What has hands but cannot clap? Bailey said a fire.
And you stomp and the shoe.
You stomp. It is a clock. A clock has hands.
Oh.
Is that what you were thinking after you said fire? Yeah. Okay. What has many teeth but never bites?
I had an answer, but it...
Okay.
After you said it doesn't bite, it ruined the answer.
What has many teeth but never bites? Becca.
Ants?
An ant. Becca says an ant. Bailey, what has many teeth but never bites?
I had an answer, but then I just forgot it. Brain fart, hang on.
What has many teeth but never bites? You got to tell me something.
I'm trying to think. I just had one. Let's see. And I can't tell you I don't know.
Can't tell me you don't know.
I can't figure it out.
Haha, very funny. Sissy said ants.
An
So
alarm clock.
an alarm clock, a comb.
Yeah, that wasn't my guess anyway.
Yeah, it was a comb. What has many teeth but never bites? The teeth on a comb. All right. What do y'all say to Miss Nina?
Thank you!
Thanks, Nina, for another awesome riddle collaboration. The kids love doing these, so make sure you keep them coming. And I will leave a link down in the description box to Nina's channel, as well as to the playlist and the riddles and the answers. So if you want to try out some of these riddles on your friends, your family, your kiddos, try them out. As always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.